Avoiding common mistakes, best practices for investing a large cash sum. Generated by Oracl AI, ready to record. Title options. 1. Avoiding common mistakes, investing a large sum 60 chars. 2. Investing big. 7 best practices to avoid costly errors 60 chars. 3. Protect your wealth. Top tips for investing a large cash sum 60 chars. Thumbnail concept. The thumbnail should feature a person, preferably an investor or financial advisor, looking directly at the camera with a serious but confident expression. The background should be a blurred cityscape to symbolize wealth and investment opportunities. Overlay text should read "Avoiding common mistakes" in bold, capital letters with a contrasting color against the cityscape. Hook script. Starts with upbeat music. Voiceover: Are you sitting on a large cash sum and thinking about investing? You're not alone. But did you know that many investors make common mistakes that could cost them dearly? Welcome to today's video, where we reveal the 7 best practices for investing a large cash sum. Let's dive right in. B-roll suggestion: close-ups of people looking worried or stressed, then transition to the confident investor from the thumbnail. Full video script. Please note that timestamps are approximate and may vary based on delivery speed. Midnight to 0:30, hook script. 0:31 to 1:30, introduction. Voiceover: Hi there, I'm your name, your go-to guide for all things investment. Today, we're going to discuss 7 best practices that can help you avoid common mistakes when investing a large cash sum. B-roll suggestion: animated graphics showing a large amount of money. 1:31 to 2:30, Practice 1, diversify your portfolio. Voiceover: First up, diversification. This means spreading your investments across various asset classes and sectors to minimize risk. B-roll suggestion: montage of different investment types like stocks, bonds, real estate, etc. 2:31 to 3:30, Practice 2, research thoroughly. Voiceover: Second, thorough research. Don't just invest in something because it's trending. Understand the company, its financials, and its market position. B-roll suggestion: graphics showing financial data, news headlines, and companies. 3:31 to 4:30, Practice 3, consider professional advice. Voiceover: Third, consider professional advice. A financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. B-roll suggestion: clips of financial advisors working. 4:31 to 5:30, Practice 4, plan for the long term. Voiceover: Fourth, have a long-term plan. Investments require patience and time to grow. B-roll suggestion: graphics showing timelines, growth charts. 5:31 to 6:30, Practice 5, understand fees and taxes. Voiceover: Fifth, understand fees and taxes. They can significantly impact your returns over time. B-roll suggestion: graphics showing fees and tax calculations. 6:31 to 7:30, Practice 6, stay informed. Voiceover: Sixth, stay informed. Keep up with market trends and news to make informed decisions. B-roll suggestion: news clips, market data. 7:31 to 8 o'clock, Practice 7, be patient and disciplined. Voiceover: lastly, be patient and disciplined. Avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. B-roll suggestion: graphics showing market volatility and remaining calm. 8:01 to 8:30, conclusion. Voiceover: remember, investing a large cash sum requires careful planning and strategic decision-making. By following these best practices, you can minimize risks and maximize returns. B-roll suggestion: final graphics with the main points. Video description. Title: Avoiding common mistakes, investing a large sum 60 chars. Description: Are you sitting on a large cash sum and thinking about investing? Don't make common mistakes that could cost you dearly. Learn the 7 best practices for investing a large cash sum with your name. Timestamps 031 to 130 Introduction, 131 to 230 Diversify your portfolio, 231 to 330 Research thoroughly, 331 to 430 Consider professional advice, 431 to 530 Plan for the long term, 531 to 630 Understand fees and taxes, 631 to 730 Stay informed, 731 to 8 o'clock Be patient and disciplined. Affiliate, investment platform, affiliate, financial advisor service, affiliate, tax preparation software, affiliate, personal finance book. Investing large cash sum best practices financial advice stock market diversification long-term investment fees and taxes patience discipline. Tags. Investment, large cash sum, best practices, investing mistakes, financial advice, diversification, research, professional advice, long-term plan, fees and taxes, stay informed, patience, discipline, stock market, portfolio management, wealth management, personal finance, investment strategy. Pinned comment. F.